back to the studio. Today we're going to do another clay project. So we've got navy, light pink, pearl, and purple. And then I've got some mica powders, and they're Carolina blue, rose, silk white, and pastel purple. We're gonna have a little fun. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put some of this mica powder on the clay. And we're just going to take a paintbrush and just basically paint some mica powder on top of the clay, just to give the clay a little different color, a little more sparkle. Just to perk it up a little bit. Doesn't have to be anything perfect. Just adding a little color and sparkle. And if you have a ultra fine glitter you want to throw into, you know, do what makes you happy, people. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear up some of these three and put them all on the purple here. Okay, so this is through the machine. Now there is one little spot here. I keep holding it up to the light so I can see where it was a little like a hole. See the light through. So I gotta be careful when I cut it, but that came out really cool. Don't know how well you can see that, but let's see if we get it a little closer. That's cool with all the stripes. So we're gonna get our cutters out. We'll see what we can do with this. I think I want to do the heart. So we're going to get a big heart and a little heart. And what I want to do is I want to start by cutting a big heart. And then what I want to do is I want to take the big heart and I'm going to cut a little heart right in the center. Try and get that lined up right. Cut a little heart. All right, I'm going to take these pieces and bake them off, and then we'll be back. Okay, these are all baked, and now we're going to take our UV resin and we're going to coat them all and see what they look like. You never know what they're going to look like till you're, all done. I'm going to get the light going and then we'll be back. Okay, these are all nice and dry. They're looking really pretty and sparkly. So I'm really happy with the way these came out. A lot of shimmer and shine in there. I think it's cool how it patterned up. Okay, I am going to take these and put the findings on, and we'll have final results. Okay, we have the final results. I think these came out really pretty. Very sparkly. I'll try and change the lighting in a bit so you can see just how sparkly some of them are. Oh, so you can see it in that heart right there. You see that sparkle coming up? Oh. Let me see if I can pick up some of these and get it in the light better. So there's that one. So pretty. The little stars. Just the colors blended really well. And there is some sparkle you can catch in there. This one has some nice sparkle too. And this big heart over here has a lot of shine in it. Look at all that shine in that heart. Oh, so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please follow along all of the links in the description box. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend.